Hello, friends. Do your Twitter feed is fed up with all random content because you clicked on a very specific thing once last week? Now you can fix it. You need to go to your Twitter interest page, and you will see a lot of checkboxes there. Twitter thinks that you are interested in these topics. You randomly clicked on it for a certain day, but Twitter will keep showing you this content aggressively. Twitter does not provide an uncheckable box. Unchecking one by one manually is a slow and boring process, and sometimes Twitter server errors out and your efforts are wasted. I wrote a one-line script to uncheck it automatically, and you need not put an effort. This is the simplest and fastest way to get rid of all of Twitter interest lists. If you have an ad blocker, then you need to disable it and refresh the page. Click, inspect, go to the console and paste this script and see the magic. Now you see on the left side, it will uncheck automatically. Keep your Twitter feed clean and focus on only the content you really wanted. Try it and let me know if it helps to keep your focus on Twitter. Thank you.